Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn how to create Put API in Node.js with MySQL database. Open code editor. I have opened my code editor. Here, I have a index.js file and package.json file. In package.json file I already install MySQL and Express package. Next, create another file which name config.js. First, I import MySQL module. Next, I create a connection with database. In this I write host name, user, password and database name which I want to connect. Here, I use this test database. In this we have one table which name users, and in this table I have one record. Next, I write a code for checking our database connected successfully or not. Here, I write if error occur then show in terminal error in connection. Next, I export con method. Next, open index.js file. In this file, first import express module. Next, import database connection from config.js file. Next, create express application. Next, choose a port where you want to run your application. I choose 5000. Next, I use app put method, and in this method we have two parameter. First, we define root and second we use callback function. In callback function we have two parameter, request and response. You can give any name to it. Next, I use res.send method and in this I write some DOMI text. Next, open your terminal and run index.js file. Next, open your Postman. Click on plus sign. Next, choose put method. Then, write the URL of your application. Next, click on send button. In bottom container you can see I get a result properly. Now, I write a code for updating data in database. For this I create a data variable and in this I store name, password, user type and ID which we send through Postman. Here, I get ID through params, so I write next to root/ID. Next, I use query method and in this I write update query as first parameter. Here, you can see I write user types instead of user type, so I remove S. In second parameter I use data variable and next I use callback function. In callback function we have two parameter error and result. You can give any name to it. Here, I write if condition, if error occur through error otherwise print a result. Next, open Postman. Click on body, next raw and then choose JSON format. And you can if we get any data from body first we need to change this data in JSON format. For this I use appUse method and in this method I use express.json method. In database you can see I have 2 records, so I want to update second record using put API. So, here I write some data. In URL I send ID 6. Click on send button. In bottom container I get result that mean our data successfully updated. When I refresh database you can see our record updated. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.